I am ready to fold my paper star. I have my paper that I'm going to fold into the star, the yellow paper, and then I have this black piece of paper labeled A, B, C, D in that order. So that means that the corners of my paper are corner A, corner B, corner C, and corner D. So I'm going to be referencing those letters when I'm folding this paper. So first, corners D and C are going to fold up to meet corners A and B. So you're just folding your paper in half from the bottom to the top, just like that. Now again, we still have corners A, B, C, D. We're going to take corner C here, and we're going to bring it over to the middle of corner A and D. So that middle space between corners A and D, swing the C around just to touch that middle part, just like that, and then we're going to crease the paper, make a fold. Okay, now our paper looks like this. Now corner D here, see how it makes a triangle shape? Just like that. We're going to take corner D, the triangle, and we're just going to flip it up, just like that, fold it up, and crease it. Now we're going to take corner B here, and we're going to swing it over to meet this other corner. Again, swing it over, match up with this corner, and fold it. So now this kind of looks like a torch or an ice cream cone kind of thing. So we're going to keep it facing up like this, like a torch or an ice cream cone. And see this corner here, we're going to make a little dot right on this corner. And then we're going to make a diagonal line down, make a little dot down there. You can draw the diagonal line too if you want to. We're going to cut on this diagonal line. So I'm going to take my scissors and we cut from dot to dot diagonally, ending at the point here. We're going to get rid of the top part, unfold, and here is my star. And now I'm going to turn my star around to find the longest point, because that point goes up and then your star doesn't look crooked. So there's your star. Now the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take a pen or a marker and you're going to trace all the fold lines to make some little sections on your star. So very carefully trace those fold lines with your pen or marker. And these are going to create little sections in which you're going to draw some Zentangle-like patterns. Okay, all my lines are traced. And I do have a sheet with some Zentangle ideas on them. You don't have to copy those ideas. You can just use your imagination. But basically what you're going to do is you're going to try to come up with a different doodle or pattern for each section of the star. This is challenging, but it can be done. So a different pattern for each section of the star. And like I said, you'll have some idea sheets on your tables. You can practice on those sheets if you want to before you actually draw on your star, or you can just go for it. Just relax and remember that there are no mistakes in this type of doodle drawing because it's all just kind of random and it comes from your imagination. As long as you're making some patterns and repeating things like lines and curves and dots and circles, you'll do just fine. So it's okay that you are using a pen or a marker, something that doesn't erase, because it's pretty hard to make a mistake when you're just drawing from your imagination. When your Zentangle star is all finished, please wait patiently for the next step.